Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for March 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video. Comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Ayan, Pisces, let's see ano yung energies for you ngayong March. Ayan. And March is also your month, no? Birthday month. Malapit na ang Pisces season. Happy birthday, advance. Happy solar return. I wish you all the best in life, happiness, success, good health. Okay. So, Pisces. Ano yung energy for Pisces ngayong March 2025? Okay. So, you have 11th house, which is your hopes, your dreams. Maaring may focus ka ngayong March pagdating sa mga pangarap mo. You have the North Node. Bigla patingin ako kasi parang pareho sila. It's like, pareho ba tong ano na to? Hindi, it's Leo. North Node in Leo. Oh my God. Pisces, you're going to shine. Meron kayong ipupursue na creative talents or skills ninyo or projects ninyo ngayong March, na kung saan kayo ay you will gain a lot of attention. Kumbaga parang mararamdaman mo na ito yung iyong destiny, na dito ka talaga itinalaga. Oo. So, iba sa inyo pwedeng sa social media or being part of a community. I think some of you are going to embrace your talents, yung God-given gifts ninyo. North Node is also about your future. So, you are gearing towards your future. Maaring may mga plano ka na ginagawa para sa future mo. Oo. Some of you maaring merong leadership role na parating. So, pwedeng promotion yan sa trabaho, or meron kang ili-lead na community na ikaw yung pwedeng maging president or isang official, no, doon sa grupo na yon, or admin sa grupo na yon. This is also about kaliwanagan. Also courage. So if you are feeling down nitong mga nakaraang linggo na parang naguguluhan ka, nalilito ka sa path na tatahakin mo, ngayong March magkakaroon ka na ng clarity kasi you're going to be directed to your life's purpose. Merong isa rito. So itong isa is about stasis or obstacle na kailangan mong i-overcome. Oo. Kasi syempre, we have to be more courageous, no? Merong lakas ng loob na hindi porket merong challenge sa harapan mo, hindi mo na ipupursue yung gusto mo dahil nahihirapan ka na, 'di ba? So, doon mo malalaman kung ano talaga yung gusto mong i-pursue, kung para doon ka talaga, kasi kung gusto mo talaga, gagawan mo ng paraan. Meron ditong Gabo. Gabo is about opportunities and blessings coming in sa inyo. So, para siyang imagine niyo na kayo ay nasa kalsada, tapos nagda-drive kayo, and meron kayong nakitang malaking bato na nakasagabal. So, anong gagawin nyo? Uwi nilang ba kayo? Hindi na ba kayo tutuloy sa pupuntahan ninyo? Na pwede nyo namang tanggalin yung bato na yon at dumiretso sa inyong destination, 'di ba? So, you will be presented with a lot of opportunities ngayong March na kung saan kayo mismo yung gagawa ng paraan for that opportunity na dumating sa inyo. Okay, let's see what else. For Pisces, you have Descendant, Invitation. This is partnership. This is connecting with other people. Pwedeng meron kang importanteng meeting ngayong March with someone. This can be collaboration, working with others. Pwede ring romantic connection for some of you. You also have Chiron, which is about healing. So, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng you are healing from a trauma or meron kayong hinihil na past or relationship in the past na akala nyo hindi na kayo makaka-recover. But, you are going to recover. And ngayong March, kumbaga mas magiging logical ka sa decisions mo na pipiliin mo kung saan ka mas mapapabuti. Okay, let's see your overall energy. You have the 7 of Pentacles. This is about patience. So, ngayong March, kailangan din na patient ka sa iyong mga sinimulan. Kasi, syempre, parang nagtanim yan 'di ba? Pag nagtanim tayo, hindi naman agad-agad kinabukasan may bunga na yung itinanim natin. So, kailangan mo siyang alagaan, 'di ba? Paarawan mo yung tinanim mo o kaya diligan mo, 'di ba? Anything that you need to do to take care of what you have started, yung kumbaga yung seed, yung punla, yung ipinunla mo. Tsaka, kailangan din yun dyan, consistent ka. Dun sa goal mo na you always need to show up and be patient. Dahil, darating rin yung time na makukuha mo yung resulta ng mga sinimulan mo. Now, your challenge is the Star. Ayan. Also, as a challenge, may mga times na pinanghihinaan ka ng loob, na parang isip mo, darating pa ba yung gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo, ma-achieve mo pa ba yung goals mo. So, dito na magkakatalo kung gaano mo ka gusto na i-pursue yung mga bagay na gusto mo kung naniniwala ka talaga. Oo. Kasi magsisimula yan sa paniniwala mo sa sarili mong kakayanan. And then, your opportunity is the 2 of Wands. So, this is taking action. This is moving forward one step at a time. I see you collaborating or working with others. Maaring may mga taong kinakausap ka para matulungan ka sa mga plano mo or ikaw mismo gumagawa ng paraan para ma-educate mo yung sarili mo about the things that you need to work on, no? Kailangan mong ayusin. Yung focus mo is Apprentice of Cups. So, this is about your, yung pangarap. What you really want for yourself. This is about your dreams, your goals. Ano ba yung pangarap mo para sa sarili mo? So, yun yung magiging focus mo ngayong March. And then, your blessing is the 8 of Cups. So, as a blessing, meron ditong kailangan ka ng iwanan na situation na pwedeng yan yung nag-hold back sa'yo of moving forward And the moment na iwanan mo yan, pumunta ka na sa path na gusto mo, then doon na magiging malinaw sa'yo na yun pala yung pumipigil sa'yo from reaching your goals, from reaching your dreams. Okay, let's see what else. For Pisces, March 2025. A long journey, either physical or mental, will leave you wiser at the end. Yung iba sa inyo may long journey, pwedeng may bakasyon somewhere, na ito yung tipong I'm going to find myself, parang ganyan. So, this is going to help you become wiser. So, yung journey rin, mental journey is learning something. So, maaring meron kang pinag-aaralan, doing your own research, pwedeng literal, may course ka na tinitake ngayon, pwedeng online, diba? Someone new is entering your life. So, there is someone, a new person coming in sa inyo ngayong March. This can be a romantic connection, a new friend, or a mentor sa buhay mo. Like, for example, yung teacher mo o someone new na darating sa buhay mo. Yung teacher mo na yan, yung mentor mo na yan will help you, will teach you yung mga bagay, information na kailangan mo to grow. Announcement. So, merong important announcement for you ngayong March. Anong announcement yan? Oo, triumph over troubles. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na mapagtatagumpayan nyo yung challenge. Mm-mm. As long as you are taking action, ikaw mismo yung nagtatanggal ng obstacle na yan sa harap mo. You also have dog, protection from a powerful friend. Ayan. So, you will be protected by someone na loyal talaga sa'yo, someone na ah, alam niya yung pinagdaanan nyo together. So, pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong makikilalang friend na eventually magiging best friend ninyo. Mm-mm. Okay, so that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. See you again.